Kotoko U star player Listowel Hinneh officially say Middlesbrough say the journey with Middlesbrough no has started. Yes, Middlesbrough say we the contracts bibia what join Middlesbrough championship club England. One mun Middlesbrough no once na Middlesbrough obo Premier League no be no call relegation. I think say call into administration also. Na say no more championship this particular player the move no to Middlesbrough no and sheda direct from Kumasi Asante Kotoko, even though in the last club or boy from Ghana no Kotoko, but according to Ntiene Akenkai Kakra say Kotoko no oba loan from Samba Stars Academy wo Kumasi and a fan oja no ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko so ombebo loan wo Kotoko in the last, I think last 6 months no, last 5 months, and in the last 2 months no, what did the Middlesbrough, and in the last 2 months no, a Middlesbrough and oil trials but in the last 5 months season neighbor shasi there na or Kotoko na from a loan deal from Samba Stars to Asante Kotoko na ebeka last 2 months no, in the last 2 months no, and oko England unya opportunity say ombra Middlesbrough embe trials enti Middlesbrough no na no nanse nyina ye hunu Kotoko no na echese trials ena oye no wo Middlesbrough ho eventually enra transfer window no close no ena Middlesbrough for no before this near be story say Middlesbrough for no be sign Middlesbrough for na agree so almost sign on but no official confirmation no enyamba enra you closely transfer window ni we na Middlesbrough edekoto ne Twitter and then the Facebook and then the website said Ghanaian youth star a friend of Hinneh Listowel wa join a omoa a long-term contract. I mean a long-term contract. Yes, into Sana Middlesbrough for no a confirming story na say you know Lord Listowel Hinneh nye Kotoko player bium and onye Samba Stars player bium and oye player obonobo ema Middlesbrough. I wish you all the best. Make high Kotoko unya chance kakra feature be Kotoko no brekum Chelsea obobi make high that very game and from here we will wish Listowel Hinneh all the best and the development because we are conquer Kotoko players youngsters are more any opportunities wabeka gumo so more support so Spain and also na wako England.